So let's begin with the next option. So the next option after enabling waiting lobby is the lock room. The lock room is basically it locks your classroom after you have started the class. You can enable this option after you have started the class so that you are not disturbed while taking the class and no student is able to enter the class after the class is started. So you can enable this option from here, and it basically works with the enable waiting lobby because it will not allow to enter anyone after the class has started, and the student will be waiting in the lobby until unless you go and check. So these both options, enabling waiting lobby and lock room, go hand in hand. So all right, so moving on to the next option, we have enable student image upload. So it says I want to enable student image upload. I can select it or deselect it. So but before checking on that, let's see what options are available with the students. So let's go to the students tab. So this is the students tab. This is the students whiteboard. So here these options are available, and yeah, but there is no image upload button that was available in the teacher's whiteboard. You can see if you want to see, this is the teacher's whiteboard and there was an option to insert an image. So the teacher was able to insert an image, but as you can see in the students whiteboard, there is no option available. So that option available in the settings tab of sorry, this is the students tab. Let's go to the teachers tab. So here, enable student image upload. So I have enabled it. It says settings saved. Now let us see what has happened to the students whiteboard. Okay, now you can see these two options are now available in the students whiteboard, which were not available earlier. They were available only in the teacher's whiteboard. Now they are available in the students whiteboard. Now the student can also upload an image and set a background image. Okay, now moving back to the teacher mode. The next option we can see here is again the enable slow mode for students. As we have seen the simple mode for teacher. Now we can see the slow mode. We have seen the slow mode for teacher. Now again the slow mode for students option is also available. So slow mode again, if they do not, sometimes students do not have the connections, internet connections with the higher bandwidth. They have a limited data available, so for that case, when if I click on enable slow mode for students, now let us see what happens to the students whiteboard. Let's move on to the students whiteboard, and here we are. This is the students whiteboard, and now you can see the save whiteboard button that was not available earlier, as it has happened in the teacher's case. When we have enabled the uh, enable slow mode for teacher, this save whiteboard option has appeared. So it will not save automatically until and unless you save the whiteboard. So teacher can enable the students slow mode for a variety of reasons, like sometimes students are typing some random things and you do not want to see each and every update regarding that. So you want to check the final answers or final responses what they have made. So you can enable slow mode so that when they save the content, then you will be able to see the desktop, to see the board of the students. So let's try it. If I'm writing like, if I'm a student right now and I'm writing hello, but I have not saved it. So let's see if the teacher can see what I have written. So let's go to my class and see, nothing is available here. So this is how it works. Until the student saves, I will not be able to see anything. So when the student clicks on the save button, this content will appear here.